In this chapter, we'll be looking at how to implement GitHub login. And this is going to be pretty much similar with Google login, like in previous chapter, right? We're going to get tokens and then we are logged in. And logout is going to be kind of same as well. So let's get back to our code and let's now copy this sign in with Google button, and let's change this to sign in with GitHub. And also let's change this function name to sign in with GitHub. And after that, we'll have to make a function like sign in with Google, right? This one. So let's copy this function because I think it's going to be kind of same. And let's paste it over here. And let's now change the name as sign in with GitHub. And after that here, we have to use GitHub provider. So it should be GitHub OAuth provider, and we'll have to import it from Firebase Auth. And after that, let's change this one to GitHub. And that's it, right? Now let's change the style, right? So we'll have to remove the icon, Google icon from GitHub button. So let's go to the button and let's remove this. And now let's go to Firebase and let's first of all go to our github.com, right? And after that, let's go to settings. And after that, let's go to developer settings. And there you'll find OAuth apps. Let's click this new OAuth app and let's give it a name, any name. Let's say social login, and let's paste HTTP localhost 5173 because we are actually running our app in 5173 port. That's what. And after that, let's provide a callback URL. And for that, let's go to Firebase, and in signing method, let's add provider and let's go to GitHub. And after that, let's copy this callback URL and let's paste it over here and register application. Our IDs has been generated, so let's copy this client ID and let's first of all paste it over here in the client ID. So let's first enable this one and let's paste it over here. And after that, let's generate the secret, and it's been generated. Let's copy it and let's paste it over here in the client secret. And let's save our configuration. And our GitHub has been enabled. Now let's check it out. So click on sign in with GitHub and let's go to local storage and let's do it again. So let's sign in with GitHub and there we go. Let's authorize, and there we go. So we have got the token in the stores and also navigate it to the blog page, and logout should work fine as well. And let's quickly style this button. So let's get back to our code and let's first of all let's go to React icons, and from there let's search for GitHub, and after that we'll just import this one for GitHub. And let's import it, import for GitHub, and after that let's copy this for GitHub, and here after the text let's add it as a component like that. And let's also add the size as 24, and that should be it. And in our next chapter we'll be implementing Facebook login.